Hello children, how are you doing? I hope you are doing great. Today I am going to explain you your 8th class book Night Voices from English Channel book. This is written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. First of all, I would like to ask some questions. Are you afraid of the dark? If you are afraid, then why do you afraid of dark? What else frightens you? And what else frightens you except the dark? This First of all, I would like to give you a brief introduction of this poem. This poem is about a child who keeps on asking questions to his father about the voices which he hears from the wood, from nearby places, but and his father answers him in different way, but he is not convinced at all, and again he is questioning to him. This poem is full of suspense and mystery. As you see the name of this poem, Night Voices. Night means dark, voices means sounds which comes in the dark. So these sounds frightens the child, and he is questioning again and again. Let us read in the first stanza. Father, father, who is that whispering? Who is it who whispers in the wood? Wood means jungle. Whisper means to speak in a slow voice. फुसफुसाहट वाली आवाज में बोलना. You say it is the breeze. Breeze means cold air, as it sighs among the trees. But there is someone who whispers in the wood. The child asking his father, 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 who is speaking in a low voice? Who is speaking in the jungle? Then father answers, It is the cool air. It is the voice, it is the sound of the cool air when it passes through the trees. But he is not convinced. He is saying, Someone is there, means some persons are there who are whispering in the wood, in the jungle. Let us see the let us let us see the second stanza of the poem. Father, father, who is that a murmuring? Murmur means also to speak in inaudible voice. Who is it who murmurs in the night? You say it is the roar. Roar means शेर की आवाज, sound of lion or tiger, etc. But here it doesn't mean the lion sound. Here is the sound of wave that is made by hitting on the shore. Wave means लहरें जो सी के ऊपर टकराती रहती है शोर से जाके, सी बैंक से जाके या रिवर बैंक से जाके, रिवर के किनारे से जाके. But there is someone who murmurs in the night. The child is not convinced at all. Then again he is asking, Father, father, who is there? Who he is murmuring, who is speaking in inaudible voice? Someone is there who is speaking in slow voice. And father answers that it is the sound of the wave when it struck to the shore of the river or bank that is nearby. The child is not convinced at all. You can see the father and the child. He is sitting with his father in this picture. Let's see the next stanza. Father, father, who is that laughs at us? Who is it who chuckles in the glen? Chuckles means a light laugh. Glen means valley, narrow valley. सकरी घाटियां होती हैं जो पहाड़ों के बीच में. ओ फादर, लेट अस गो, फॉर द लाइट इज बर्निंग लो एंड देयर इज समबडी लाफिंग इन द ग्लेन. So child is not convinced at all by the answers of the father, and he again questions to his father that someone is there who is laughing at us. Means who is there who is laughing at us? Who is laughing in slow laughter in the narrow valley? Then he asked his father, "Why are you sitting here? Let us go, as this has become dark. अंधेरा हो गया है. Light is very low, and there is someone who is laughing in the glen, means narrow valley. Someone is there. The child is saying someone is there who is laughing in the glen, in the narrow valley. Father, father, tell me what you are waiting for. Tell me why your eyes are on the door. It is dark and it is late, but you sit so still and straight, ever staring, ever smiling at the door. Then the father is concerned about the dark night, about the voices, as well as he is concerned about his father also, as his father is waiting for something. He asked his father, "Father, what you are waiting for? And why your eyes on the door?" As his father is staring in the at the door, and he is and smiling. So he is asking, when we stare at the door, when we wait for someone. So here is father waiting for someone. It is dark time and it has been late. Then he asks his father why he is sitting so silent. Still means silent and straight. And he is staring means gazing, looking at the fixed direction. Why are you looking at the door, and why are you smiling? Tell me, for whom are you waiting for? Means this is poem is full of suspense. We don't come to know that father is waiting for someone or not, and all this. Let's see the rhyme scheme of the poem. This poem has 5 stanzas, and each stanza has the same rhyming scheme. Now children, I tell you how to find out rhyming scheme. Let's see the last word of each line. Just like whispering, we give it name A. Wood, we call it B, because it is not rhyming with whispering. When end of the words rhymes together, then it is called rhyming scheme. Breeze, C, trees, just like breeze and trees, last sound of these, just like breeze, z, trees, z, they are rhyming each other, so we call them CC. Here would rhyming with B. Here we gave name, second line would be, so here is also B. Then what is the rhyming scheme? The rhyming scheme is A B C C B. In the all the stanzas are the same rhyming scheme. You can find out like that. I told you. That's all, students. Thank you for watching. I think it is helpful for you.